I love batch cooking, so I'm doing another dish here, which is like a turkey taco mix. And so I've got some pasture-raised ground turkey. You can use beef. I like using turkey. I don't like using red meat very often. I use it more on an occasional basis. So I've already started with the turkey. And so you're just going to go ahead and I just like to use like a wooden mallet and then cut it or just kind of just chop it into little teeny pieces. Okay, so this just takes probably about 15 minutes. Okay, and I have already sauteed some bell pepper and jalapeno, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some gluten-free tamari. I like using this a lot. If you follow my recipes, you can see I use it for a lot of dishes out of my Liliana's Keto cookbook. So I got some pepper, some paprika. So I kind of want to make it a flavor that I could use both for a taco salad or for over some spaghetti squash or a Buddha bowl. So here's some Italian seasoning. And I'm also going to put some fresh oregano in there. Got that out of my garden. Super, super simple. So I like having this in the refrigerator so it gives me an option for my lunches or when I come home in the evening. And it's always kind of a hit and miss what time I get home. So when I'm prepared, it allows me to eat on time, and then I don't have issues with too full of a stomach when I go to sleep. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the bell peppers and the jalapeno, which I sauteed in a little bit of avocado oil. And that is it. So it makes it super, super simple. And again, you can experiment by adding all kinds of herbs if you would like as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll look forward to cooking with you again soon.